Creating animated logos is an exciting and fulfilling endeavor that involves a unique set of creative and technical skills. The process starts with inspiration, where ideas are brought to life, turning the static into the dynamic. Using Canva, it is easy to bring your ideas to life by giving them movement. Canva is a recognized masterpiece in the world of graphic design, allowing you to create stunning graphics that are accessible to everyone, regardless of skill level. Create design for animated logo. Choose custom size. Width and height come in 500. Units leave px. Click on Create New Design. Let's create animated logos for niche cooking. If necessary, you'll be able to choose a niche that best fits your needs and aspirations. For our logo, we'll select the elements. In the search, we'll enter cooking. Go to Graphics. As you can see, Graphics is full of ready icons. Choose one of the free suitable graphics. Drag the icon a little bit to the top. Add a test subheading. Enter a name for the logo. Put the subheading in a place convenient for us. Make the subheading texts large. The combination of fonts and graphics is the most important element of a beautiful design. Canva provides a variety of fonts, so it's important to choose one that matches the style of your design. You can experiment with different font styles and thicknesses to find the perfect match. Let's change the font size to the appropriate ones. Add effects to the text. Canva offers different styles for effects. Choose the Echo style. Slightly reduce the offset. You can experiment with different styles to choose the most attractive and effective style for the text. In Canva, you can easily change the position of elements and texts. Proper placement of text, images, or graphics can create visually appealing designs. Now let's add animation for the logo. Animation in Element provides users with unique opportunities to create spectacular and attractive visuals. With its intuitive interface, every user, regardless of their level of training, is able to master this tool. Using various effects, you can make your logos dynamic and creative. In Canva, you can create animations by dragging and dropping elements onto the canvas. Creating animations in Canva, especially by dragging and dropping elements onto the canvas, opens up a wide range of creative possibilities. For texts, it is also possible to select different animation effects. The most suitable animations for texts are suggested. Effective animations contribute to the emergence of emotions and feelings and make reading interactive. Page animation in Canva allows for unique creative possibilities. Every element, from text to images, can come to life to become a dynamic piece of animated design. These animations not only increase the appeal of the content, but also improve the impact of the content. In page animations, you can customize the duration of the animation to perfectly match the overall concept of your logo. In the Pro version of Canva, you can change the direction and speed of the animation. Come up with file names for the logo. Save the file. Download our logo animation file. The file type you need to choose is MP for video or in GIF format. After selecting the file format, click on the button Download. Then select where to upload the file and it will be downloaded to your device. Do not forget to preview the animation. Make sure all the elements fit together well. Creating animations in Canva will not require special skills in video editing. The simple intuitive interface will help any user, regardless of the level of sophistication, to easily master this service. In this video, you learned how to create animations for a logo in Canva. Thank you very much for watching.